Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 18 to 24, 2023. This is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi, just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon, link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, let's see, Libra. What's up with you? September 18 to 24, 2023. You have desert. And then you have gazelle and divine feminine. Okay. So, desert is about adaptability. Kasi, di ba ang desert, kapag mainit doon, maaraw, sa umaga, mainit. Pero pag gabi naman, sobrang lamig. So, it's about you being flexible, no, sa situation mo. Kapag challenging yung situation, kaya mong i-handle. And of course, if things are really going well with you, so open ka rin for celebration. Ganon. That's basically the energy of the desert. And also being resilient, no? Na alam mo kung paano mag-bounce back, lalo na kung meron kang mga challenges na kinakaharap. And this is also your tiwala mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo, no, yung mga pinagdadaanan mo na sabi nga this too shall pass, no. Lahat ng mga challenges matatapos din yan. And when you look back, isip mo na buti na lang buti na lang naniwala ako sa sarili ko, ganun. And you also have the energy ng gazelle. So, ang mga gazelle, this is also like very sila, yung nag-o-observe sa paligid, no? And Ang energy rin nito is to change direction. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong redirection. Maaring meron kayong plano na kailangan nyo munang baguhin because of the changes that are happening around you. So, halimbawa, may plano ka na mag-resign sa trabaho, pero maaring meron kang kailangang pagkagastusan pa sa bahay mo, sa family mo, or sa mga iba mong pangangailangan. So, bibigyan mo muna ng time yung sarili mo na pag-isipan yung decision mo bago ka mag-resign, or alam mo na meron kang fallback or meron kang lilipatan bago ka mag-resign. Mga ganon. So, I think some of you are changing your direction, rerouting, kumbaga, but makakarating ka pa rin naman sa paroroonan mo. So, example, meron kang pupuntahan, no? Tapos na-traffic ka dun sa lugar na yon. And then, alam mo sa sarili mo na kapag nagstay ka doon, mas magtatagal ka, mas matatraffic ka. Pero dahil ikaw ay maparaan, so alam mo kung ano yung pwede mong daanan na alternative route, no? Para makaalis ka doon sa traffic na yon, and you will change your direction, kumbaga. So, you are being more adaptive, no? Nag-a-adapt ka sa needs ng situation mo, kung saan kang direction papunta. And with the divine feminine energy here, this is about fulfillment. This is being open to the divine guidance na hindi ka na magrereklamo sa mga blockages or challenges na pagdadaanan mo. You are going to take it as a divine guidance na, okay, kaya hindi to nangyayari kasi hindi pala to makakabuti sa'yo. So, change your direction. Ganon. 'Di ba? Ganon lang yon. And feminine energy, divine feminine energy is also being sensitive and being open to changes. So, what else? You have the Ace of Pentacles. Oh, there's a new opportunity, new beginning for you. Can be a career or a business. Para siyang seed. Para siyang punla, no? Nahihintayin mo. This will test your patience, Libra. Kaya kailangan mahaba yung pasensya mo dito sa proseso na to, kasi maaring meron kang mga gustong gawin sa trabaho, sa career mo, na kailangan mong munang magtanim bago mo makita yung resulta nung pinaghirapan mo. But definitely it's going to be worth it. And then you also have the Knight of Wands and the Six of Cups. So I see you na lilibangin mo yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo. Let's say, mga hobbies or libangan, ha. Oo. Yung anything na kapag ginagawa mo, para nakakalimutan mo yung oras. Oo. So, example ako, kapag nagpapack ako ng orders, or nagpe-prepare ng orders sa aking online shop, nakakalimutan ko yung oras. So, kasi nag-e-enjoy ako, ganun klase. Or halimbawa, ikaw, nakita mo na mahilig ka sa halaman, nagtatanim ka ng mga halaman, nag-aayos ka sa garden, and then hindi mo napansin, 3 oras ka na pala doon. Akala mo mga 30 minutes pala. Ay, mga ganun. So, I think you're going to spend more time sa mga bagay na very passionate ka. Can be anything, can be anyone that you are passionate. You also have Saturn in Sagittarius in the 9th house. So, may fulfillment. Karmic itong fulfillment na to. So, ibig sabihin yan, pag sinabing karmic, kung ano yung effort na binigay mo, yun yung makukuha mong resulta. So, if you are really working hard towards your goals and dreams, you will receive the rewards. Okay? It's going to be worth it. Diba? Speaking of worth it, you have the Sun in Capricorn in the 10th house, which is achievement. So, meron kang achievement sa career mo, meron kang mafulfill na dreams sa career mo. This week. And this is something that you will be proud about yourself. You will be proud of it. Diamond light activation. Light activations and new energies are coming your way. So be open to receive and welcome them. So may mga bagong energies na parating sa'yo. This can be new source of inspiration, ganyan. And hedgehog, acceptance. Embrace who you are. Yes. This is number 1 that you need to do. Embrace your individuality, your uniqueness. Okay, so that is your reading, Libra. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.